Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm excited to give you an overview of the brand new WaaPY platform. If you've been using WaaPY Classic, you already know how powerful it is for managing customer conversations. But with the new version, we've rebuilt the experience from the ground up to give you better performance, greater flexibility, and a complete suite of modern automation and AI tools. Let's dive in and see what's new. First up, the connections. While WaaPY Classic focused heavily on WhatsApp, the new WaaPY lets you connect WhatsApp, Messenger, unofficial WhatsApp number, and Telegram. And we are also planning to give Instagram and a few more social media apps for this. Your team can manage conversation from multiple platforms in one chat inbox. Next, we have integrated a fully built-in CRM. So just click CRM. You can track deals across pipelines. So as you can see, sales pipelines. You can select all the pipelines available. You can view revenue summaries. You can attach notes to contracts and manage customer details right inside WaaPY, eliminating the need to switch between separate software. Now, let's talk about automation. Our new and flow bot builder, as you can see, gives you a drag and drop canvas to create custom chatbot workflows. Unlike other platforms that cap your usage, on WaapyBot, here you can create unlimited workflows with zero restrictions. So for example, we can create a new WaapyBot, we can start from scratch, and a simple drag and drop method right here. So basically, we have our own chatbot example right here. So as you can see, if the user starts with the word WaaPY, or if any of the keyword was captured during the message, it will send a chatbot. We have already done the flow right here, you can see. So we have our own system, we have our own assistant, and we collect user message, and it will keep repeating itself until the user has set an appointment. So yeah. Now, let's take a look at our AI agent capabilities. Now, you can create an agent by clicking create agent right here and selecting a template. Or if you already have your template, you can start from scratch and insert the name, instruction, rules and boundaries, and knowledge base. Knowledge base is actually the AI knowledge base. So as you can see, by uploading your business documents into the AI knowledge base, your AI agent automatically learns from your content to deliver accurate, automated, and answers to customer queries. For example, we can jump into one ticket to see how this action works. So we jump into one ticket, for example, this one. We can select these three dots right here and click Get AI Suggestion. So the AI will respond based on your knowledge base. Since we are on the team inbox, we support unified messaging across multiple channels, including WhatsApp, Telegram, and more. So the key features here include a CRM feature. You can click CRM. You can assign a deal based on the contact. So if you want to assign this to someone, you can also do that too by selecting their pipelines. You can transfer a ticket to someone. So you can transfer to another user and their queues. You can also resolve that ticket, so this ticket will disappear but not deleted. You can also add notes to this contact. And lastly, you can also schedule a message by clicking schedule, jumping into schedule again, and having a quick reply, or you can just type your message itself. You can also, after that, you can select the time you want to do and click schedule. We also have advanced filtering right here. You can search by queue, by label, by user, and by connections. When you need to reach your audience at scale, our broadcasting and blasting tools, aka outreach tool, allows you to send targeted bulk message campaigns efficiently directly to your contact list. So we have all campaigns right here. We can create a campaign. You can jump into all contacts. And if you have a specific contact list you want to do a blasting to, you can also do that inside contact list. And finally, let's take a look at our reports and analytic dashboard. Here, you get full visibility into agent performance and customer support metrics. As you can see right here, we also have a CTWA report. For marketers running Facebook or Instagram ads, our click to WhatsApp ad, aka CTWA, gives you actionable data on ad conversions, lead performance, and overall ROI. On top of standard bots, you can now deploy AI agents connected to your own custom AI knowledge base. Simply just upload company documentation or FAQs, and UI agents will handle complex customer inquiries naturally and accurately 24/7, and you can turn it off if you want to.